2025, Ferrari, the legendary name synonymous with speed, precision, and Italian luxury, has taken an extraordinary leap beyond the racetrack. This time, it's not a car tearing down the straight at Monza or gliding through Monte Carlo. It's something completely new, the 2025 Ferrari Motorhome. Yes, Ferrari has entered the world of luxury travel on wheels, and it's unlike anything the world has ever seen. Today, on your channel name, we'll explore this stunning masterpiece that merges supercar performance with 5-star comfort. At first glance, the Ferrari Motorhome looks like something out of a futuristic concept movie. Every curve and line reflects Ferrari's signature design DNA, sleek, aggressive, and aerodynamic. The bold red exterior, flowing contours, and carbon fiber accents immediately tell you this isn't your average RV. This is a statement of power and prestige. Built on an advanced lightweight monocoque chassis inspired by Formula One technology, this motorhome achieves both strength and speed that defy the traditional limits of motorhome engineering. Under the hood, or rather, at the rear, lies a powerhouse that stays true to Ferrari's performance legacy. The 2025 Ferrari Motorhome is powered by a hybrid V8 engine paired with electric motors, delivering a combined output of over 900 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, a motorhome with the heart of a Ferrari supercar. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just under 4.5 seconds, making it the fastest luxury RV ever built. Yet, thanks to its hybrid system, it also offers remarkable fuel efficiency for long-distance touring. The sound is pure Ferrari magic. The V8 growl, perfectly tuned through active exhaust systems, reminds you that even though it's built for comfort, performance runs deep in its veins. The all-wheel drive system and adaptive suspension provide an unbelievably smooth ride, whether you're gliding down Italian coastal roads or cruising through the Alps. Ferrari's dynamic drive control system allows drivers to switch between comfort, sport, and track modes, adjusting throttle response, steering sensitivity, and suspension stiffness. Yes, even your motorhome can go into track mode, only Ferrari could make that possible. Step inside, and you'll be immersed in a world where elegance meets innovation. The interior of the 2025 Ferrari Motorhome is designed by the same team responsible for the interiors of Ferrari's GT cars. Every inch is wrapped in premium Italian leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber trim. The ambient lighting shifts color based on driving mode, while the panoramic glass roof brings natural light flooding into the cabin. The cockpit feels like sitting inside a high-end Ferrari sports car. Digital displays, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and a central control screen powered by Ferrari's new iDrive interface. This smart system learns driver habits, adjusts climate settings automatically, and even provides predictive route optimization for fuel and energy efficiency. The dashboard combines traditional analog beauty with futuristic holographic projection, giving you real-time data on speed, energy flow, and driving dynamics. But beyond the driver's seat, the Ferrari Motorhome redefines what luxury travel truly means. The living area features an extendable lounge with handcrafted furniture that folds seamlessly into the walls. A 4K OLED entertainment system, integrated surround sound, and smart glass windows that tint at the touch of a button create the perfect environment for relaxation. The kitchen is compact yet sophisticated, fitted with carbon fiber countertops, a built-in espresso system, and high-efficiency appliances. Every element is engineered for both style and functionality, matching Ferrari's reputation for precision craftsmanship. The bedroom transforms from a sleek, minimalist lounge into a comfortable sleeping suite with a retractable bed system, inspired by Ferrari's aerodynamic folding mechanisms. Even the bathroom showcases Ferrari design flair, with brushed aluminum fixtures, an LED-lit mirror, and a rainfall shower system that feels more like a luxury spa than a typical RV experience. Beyond its looks, the 2025 Ferrari Motorhome is built for smart mobility. It comes equipped with Ferrari Connect, a cutting-edge system that allows full integration between the motorhome and your Ferrari sports car. Owners can sync both vehicles, monitor maintenance, and even control the motorhome remotely from the Ferrari mobile app. You can start climate control, lock or unlock doors, and even check energy levels, all from your smartphone. Safety and control are also top priorities. The Ferrari Motorhome includes a 360-degree AI-assisted vision system, lane assist, automatic braking, and adaptive cruise control. Its radar-based driver monitoring system can detect fatigue and suggest rest stops. Even in this massive luxury cruiser, Ferrari ensures performance and safety are perfectly balanced. On the road, the experience is truly unmatched. Imagine pulling up to a luxury camping site or a motorsport event with a motorhome that wears the prancing horse badge. People stop, stare, and admire the fusion of art, engineering, and extravagance. Ferrari has not just built a motorhome, it has created a moving piece of Italian automotive heritage. But the story doesn't end there. Ferrari has announced that only 30 units of the 2025 motorhome will be produced worldwide, each handcrafted in Maranello and custom